Budapest and beyond! Wouldn't it be nice to just put up a hammock on a bridge that goes over the Danube River? I mean, not only would you get some of the best views of the city, but you'd also get a nice breeze.
In 2021, tiny hidden statue creator Mihály Kolodko did just this for the former King of Hungary.
Austrian Emperor Franz Joseph can be found padlocked into place on the north side of Liberty Bridge.
In fact, this bridge used to go by the name Franz Joseph. But there is also a story behind the hammock. A few years ago, the bridge was closed to traffic. Industrious and pleasure-seeking Budapestians rushed to put hammocks up between the cables. The hammock squatters are gone now, and though it is no longer the Franz Joseph Bridge, the padlocks keep multiplying. And it doesn't look like Franz is going anywhere anytime soon.